And I think it's very important that, yes, we need to be able to teach you some stuff with self-learning, but the most important aspect in my group is that we connect once a week via Zoom. I give a positive setting where everyone is allowed to share and people really are getting better by the day. We have amazing success stories every single day shared from members in our community. And the most important thing is that you're validated, that you know other people also struggle, but that you see how much progress they've been making and how they are slowly but steadily habituating to their tinnitus.